Well, hello everybody. I'm Erin and I'm the Handbag Housewife, and I'm back again with another video. Today's video is going to cover two things. The first is a Farfetch update regarding my return of the Michael Kors, the mini tote bag. And the second is going to be a brief try-on haul of a few items from Express and how I've coordinated them with the items I bought from the Gia Rose haul I did about a week ago. This was my bag of the day yesterday, and I'm switching today into this little cutie. This is the Willa, and it is in the color Bluewood, I think, and it's the small size. And my son's school is having a track meet today, and this is their primary color. So I thought I would wear this one. They also have red as one of their colors, so I've been using my red Longchamp extra small with the Matisse leather. But today I thought I'd switch things up and use this one. I'm not currently wearing what I'm gonna wear to the track meet, but I did wanna show you what I was wearing. Before I get to that though, I would like to talk to you about Farfetch. So on Thursday, it will have been 2 weeks since Farfetch contacted me. The day they contacted me, I went ahead and filed a claim. And yesterday was 10 days since I filed the claim. I filed the claim with PayPal, and the reason I did that is I just had a bad feeling about the whole thing. If you haven't seen the previous videos, what I'm referring to is I sent back a Marc Jacobs Mini the Tote bag to Farfetch, which was basically sending it back to a French department store who works through Farfetch. And I sent it back because there were some defects in the leather. I was extremely careful to package it exactly like I received it. I didn't remove the stuffing from the inside of the bag or the handles. I didn't unwrap the long strap. All I did was take it out. I did put it on briefly with a novelty strap, but again, I didn't take out any of the stuffing, so I couldn't even really tell how the bag looked. I just wanted to see how it coordinated, I guess, with that novelty strap so I could show you. But definitely 100% unused condition. I put it back in the box. I used every piece of tissue paper that they used. I used the same box, same dust bag, same tags. When they received it, they said that I sent back the bag, but I had switched, or that the dust bag was different and that the tags on the bag were different. And that was absolutely not true. I have video evidence of what I received when I unboxed it. And in fact, I even noted when I received it that the item came in a dust bag that looked a little different than I was expecting. And when it comes down to it, I really just think that the department store didn't want to accept the item back because it did have some small defects in the leather. I think it might have made it harder for them to sell it, and so they just didn't want to take it back. And the threat from Farfetch was that if I didn't answer their questions satisfactorily, that they would send the item back to me, which is not what I wanted to happen. So I filed a claim with PayPal, and PayPal closed the case within seconds of opening it and decided it in my favor. And I received an email from them saying that Farfetch had 10 days to respond, and if they responded with the correct information, then the case could be reopened. And if the case were reopened, most cases were resolved in 30 days, but it could take months. So I was just praying that they didn't respond within 10 days. And that's exactly what happened. They did not respond within 10 days. 10 days elapsed yesterday. So my refund is now solidified according to PayPal. And so I'm going to just move on with my life and not worry about this anymore. Farfetch, however, I'm not sure they've ever read the PayPal email or even thinking about it, because they sent me an email on Sunday just saying, we just want to let you know we haven't forgotten about you. We're still waiting for information from the relevant departments. And I'm thinking, it's been a week and a half since you sent me the email saying there was an issue. It's been 3.5 weeks since the department store received the bag, and it took them 2 weeks to let you know that there was an issue. So it's just such a long, drawn out process. I'm so happy I filed with PayPal on the day that this happened, because now I'm done and I can just stop worrying about it. So that is my Farfetch finale, my final update, unless something else crazy happens, but I don't think anything else can, according to PayPal. Actually, the guy I talked to yesterday said that once the case was finalized, it was really finalized. But then I also have an email saying 10 days. So now we've passed both of those thresholds, so I should be done. Now let's do some more fun things than talking about Farfetch drama. I am currently wearing this gorgeous sweater from Express. It has a chain detail that runs along the edge and also on the faux pockets. These aren't actual pockets, but it's made to look like it. It does have these little eyelets all up and down, so you can fully close it if you wanted to, which I don't know that I would, but I might close it one time or with one eyelet. So I have it on with these adorable jeans. They're actually like a capri length denim from Gia Rose. This is the first pair I tried on from that haul, and I'll link that haul below. But I love these. It really feels like I'm wearing sweats. They're so comfortable. And when I tried them on in the haul, I said the only issue I had was with the big holes. Like, I'm not a big holey person. I love how they look, but I don't like my skin hanging out of a hole this size or this size. So I got these and I immediately patched them. And honestly, if you use white stitching when you patch, even if you have little stitches that go around, with all the shredding and distressing, you really cannot see that. So I've got this beautiful sweater on with the chain detail and the shredded jeans, and then underneath I've just got the ZSupply Sirena tank. And if I can find one of those, I'll link it. But definitely you can check out Gia Rose for these denim, and Express still had all the sizes in this sweater when I checked yesterday. I have one more item coming from Express, and I will insert it here. I'm also going to link it down below because I think it's going to be really cute, and it's on clearance just like this sweater is, with an extra 50% off. And I really don't want you guys to miss these. So I was waiting for the boucle jacket that I'm referring to arrive to me so that I could try this all on at once. But I've noticed that they are selling out of some items, and I don't want that to happen before you get a chance to order. So the next thing I'm going to try on is this t-shirt that I got from Gia Rose. It's the rib Hacci material, which I believe is just a little bit dressier than your typical t-shirt material. It almost has just a little bit of shimmer or texture. And I have, speaking of texture, this beautiful boucle jacket from Express. Now this one, I believe it's down to just a few sizes, maybe just an extra large. It has these beautiful buttons on it. These are plastic, but I find that they're pretty durable, and the fact that they're plastic makes them lightweight, so that they're not droopy looking. You may remember seeing me wear this jacket in a video a few days ago, and I linked it then, but since then it's almost sold out. I did want to show it to you real quick, but look how cute it looks with this t-shirt and with the cut up denim. The cut up denim looks great with everything, and you can either button the jacket or not button it. There's really a bunch of different ways you can wear it. You can half tuck the shirt, leave it unbuttoned. It really is very versatile. And I find that this jacket is very warm. But see, here's some of the details kind of up close. It sort of has a shimmer to it, and that kind of goes with the fabric that the tee has. This tee, this material, it also comes in a tank form. And this tank is a little bit longer. So if you want something longer hanging out of the jacket, I can link this tank down below too as another option to wear with the boucle jacket. Okay, so my last item today, and I actually have not one, but three of these shirts. When I like things, I tend to buy more than one of them. And these were so cheap that I bought three of them. And I might have bought more, but I was limited by sizing. I wear a medium. I don't know, you may remember I wore this beautiful top the other day in a video, and I got so many compliments on it that when I got a $15 reward from Express for buying the jackets, I went ahead and used that towards these. So I paid $12.50 each for the ivory colored one, which I think is called Swan, and then the pink one. And I only paid $16, I think, for this one, for the blue one. So definitely get on there and check them out. There are so many different colors, and some of the colors have the full range of sizes. I am wearing a medium in this pink top, and I just love it. I think that the sleeves are so sweet, and I've still got the tags on these jeans from Gia Rose. I think that this tea is just so precious. They have a lot of really good teas. I have ordered a few of the other ones with the eyelet sleeves and they didn't work for me, but this style really did. The only thing I would like to warn you about is that this part right here is just a teeny bit snug on me, and it seems to be better if you just adjust it and mess with it a little bit. It's a small price for looking so nice, right? So real quick, I just wanted to show you the blue. The blue is also a gorgeous option. And this is the final chiffon sleeve top of the day, and I just went ahead and got all three colors because they may not last forever and ever. But I mean, look at that detail for $12. I think it's just such an amazing deal, and you can wash them in the washing machine. Big win on these tops for me from Express. I hope you've enjoyed this short try-on haul along with the Farfetch update. I'm so relieved to be all done with that for sure. If you have enjoyed this, please give the video a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel, The Handbag Housewife, if you haven't already, and also go follow me on Instagram. It's the same name as here, the @ symbol, and then The Handbag Housewife. Take care and have a fabulous day. Bye.